Good evening, house. Welcome to this intensive forest training class, number two. I think today is the second day. Okay, we're having this class. All right. Yesterday we actually started yesterday, and I actually gave this signal out yesterday. If you watched the video yesterday, I gave this signal yesterday. When we drew this, we actually recorded that this market is we did that on 4 hours. We actually drew this on 4 hours yesterday, and we traced the market down. We actually currently we're still on trend, drawing and identifying trend. That is where we are still. Okay. Yesterday we successfully traced this market down. Okay, exactly what we did yesterday. Trace this market, retraced, came back, as breaking the previous low, all right? That confirmed the market now is now on the downtrend, all right? Market came up to this end and came down to around this axis is where we were yesterday. Okay, was it where we were? No, I think we are actually here yesterday. Yes, we are here. So I told you the market will retrace a bit, retrace up and come down. This was our analysis yesterday, and I went further to drop this as a sign. I dropped it yesterday, something like this, and I said the market going to 1960. I said 65, right? 65. I don't know if market actually got into 65, but let's check. 65. Okay, so we're entering around here between 2006 to 212. All right, and I put a stop loss. Okay, I don't know how many people that took that trade, but if you took this trade, I will always say congratulations to you. All right, because I actually played well. Market got to 1976. Okay, market got to 1976. Please, if you are coming in, kindly mute your mic.
All right, sir. Sorry.
Get 1976 today. All right. There is still the room for the market to continue. All right. But if you're on this trade, congratulations. Okay. Based on the tracing that we're doing, I'll actually remove this to avoid distraction. All right. But if you actually enter this trade, if I watched it with the video yesterday and you enter this trade, congratulations. I congratulate you once again. All right. So it's as simple as that. All right. If you can identify trend in the market and know how to draw trend, you can actually take some good trades, good and wonderful trades in the market. All right. Now, market has come down. We are expecting this market. Remember, we are still on the downtrend right away. So we will be expecting this market to retrace back. All right. Because how do we know where this market will get to? Look at it. Remember, when the market came down, it broke the previous low. It broke the previous low. Okay, market broke the previous low and came here. All right, so market retraced back towards the previous low and came back down. And where was the previous low before? This was our previous low here. So I'm going to draw the line again. This was our previous low. Market came and broke the previous low and came back. So we were expecting the market to retrace again towards the previous low. Expecting this market to retrace again towards the previous low. All right. I hope you are getting the way we are flowing with this. Expect this market to retrace back towards the previous low. Okay. And you are on this zone. We're expecting the market on this zone. So I'm going to circle this. Right. So we are saying around on this zone. We're expecting market on this zone. Okay, the market gets to this zone, we expect this market to still pull back down. All right. I still maintain this axis of 1965 to 1960. Okay, this axis, that's where I'm expecting the market to get to find a support. All right, before the market could go back up. So the market to find a support here, for the market to go back up. This might happen tomorrow, but there's a lot of news that's coming up tomorrow. Okay, but I will still drop. The market is still running anyways. The one who entered yesterday is still running. So what you will do for those that already know how to trade, what they will do is just as simple as you can take a second entry anyways. You can take a second entry. This is second entry. We're waiting wait for the market to come up. So this axis. Okay. When market comes up to the axis, you can take your second entry and your stop loss should be here. Make it tight. Yeah. Anything above this place, the market keeps going up. Anything can happen in the market, all right? We're not saying that we are magicians, okay? But we're just following a trend. The trend might not 100%, it might fail. But if you keep your risk management tight, all right, you won't have any issue. If you place 10 markets, you enter 10 times in the market with this strategy, and you lose 7 times, 3 times that you gain, that you got a win, you should cover all your losses and make profit. I show you that. Because the profit margin is still very wide. So we're expecting this market to get to this zone, 1965 to 1966, 1960. Okay? Anything below this, then that means market is going to the next support and resistance. All right? Which should be around here, which should be around here, around this zone of 1932. All right? So have it at the back of your mind. Okay? We are still, we don't know what happened in the market tomorrow because at the wrong run tomorrow, because there's a heavy news coming tomorrow that might change direction of the market. All right? But I want you to have the back of your mind that be that as it may, this is what we are looking at to happen tomorrow. All right, using our trend identification, we're expecting the market to can actually draw this down, right? But to be on the safer side, once you get to 1960 to 1960 to 1965, you can actually take your profit and observe what happens next in the market. The market can come to this zone and decide to go back up. All right, it can happen. Gold can turn around anytime. All right, but on the long run, we're expecting the market to get to this 1932 if this zone of 1960 is broken. All right, so that's what we're expecting. Well, overall, this is our expectation. All right, okay, that is for those that are trading already. That's for those that are trading already. All right, so I'm going to remove it again. All right, okay, it's on the video so you can watch it, but I want to remove it so that it will not or I'll put it back. Let me just shift it a bit and bring it back. All right, before the end of the video, I'll bring it back. All right, I want to understand. I'll do this again. All right, I told you that for the next few days we are going to stick on this trending stuff. All right, how to trend, how to identify trend, and okay, I think I will just leave this one like this. Okay, yesterday we did this. I just redrew what we did yesterday, got to where we are, and what happened yesterday to today. What happened today? All right, let me place this back. Is what my expectation. Remember I said this should be 32 and 32. Right. Okay, good. This is what I expecting to happen tomorrow. All right, if you are still in the market, you can hold your position or just put stop loss or just put a break even. Okay, you can put a break even to be on the safe side. All right, but you can still take a second entry when market gets to this zone. All right, so good luck to that trade. So in continuation, do we have a disconnection? Okay, I think we are still on. In continuation, I want to go into, let us go into another pair, EUR USD. Okay, let us try Euro USD. All right, let's also trace the market and see what is happening in the market currently. And see what is happening in the market currently. All right. The market also, if you look at it, you notice the market has been on a downtrend for a long time. So what do you do to identify this trend, to know where to enter the market? But that is why you should draw this, you should identify it. Okay, take a tool and trend and take this one came down. First of all, the market was going up, higher high, lower high, higher high again, and as it got to this point, the market came down all the way to this point. What has it succeeded in doing? It has succeeded in breaking the low here. Okay, so the market broke the low here. I think I need to take off this. So what are we expecting? We're expecting the market to have a pullback. Now we're expecting the market to have a pullback. Okay, market will pull back to around the zone of the previous low. Okay, and for the trend to be valid, it will have to break to the downside, break the previous low. This was the previous low. So market broke the previous low means that the trend is still very much valid. Trend is still very much valid. So at this point, what do? To continue. The market will also have a banner pullback. Look at it, it had a pullback, even though it was small, but it's still making sense. Okay, came down, broke the previous low. Look, so we are still expecting the market to have a pullback from here. Market had a pullback to around the zone and pull back down. Okay, broke the previous low. Shows that the market is still knows what it was doing. Okay, after breaking the previous low, market will have to have a pullback. See the pullback, okay, and pull back and make a lower low. Okay, surpassing this low. Okay, that simply means that the downtrend is still very valid. Now, market got into this point. You see, the market went up above the previous high. This is where you get dicey. Okay, get this, above the previous high. Market went up above the previous high. So seeing that the market has gone above the previous high, then you have to be careful. At that point, you have to observe what is happening in the market. At this point, you need to observe what is happening in the market to avoid loss of money, of resources. Now, market actually moved to the what? Above the previous high. At that point, market will either come down to consolidate or keep on making a lower low. Now, the market did this, so but did not change trend immediately because it came back down, breaking the same lower low again, meaning that we are still in the trend. Now, having broken the lower low, what else the market did? It actually break the lower low. I think we should check that very well. All right? I think I should clear this. Clear this. Let us look at that critically and be sure to broke that point. Okay? Yes. Actually broke that. Yeah, sure. Okay. So don't think I'm a magician to know. No, I'm the same thing now. We are just doing it together. All right. I just want to understand the concept. Market broke the lower low and went down. So at that point, we expect the market to retrace and come back down. Now, market has retraced. Coming back down, it has not broken the lower low. It's not down yet. This low has not been broken. See, the market came back down to this same level and went back up to the same level. So market is actually consolidating here. So after this consolidation, that's when we know the direction of this market. So at this point, you will be advised not to enter the market. Don't do anything until this market either breaks to the upside, okay? Come back up. At this point, market has changed direction to higher, to uptrend. So you have to wait for the market to have a pullback. Once market have a pullback, boom, you can enter your buy. The market to keep going up. Okay, this is one. Okay, you can actually rewind the video, okay, to get this clearly. I will take it off again. I'm going to take it off. So these are the two things that can happen in the market currently. The two things that happen in the market. So here I can give you a setup because I myself cannot enter any market here. To play safe, you have to what? Be on the safe side. Wait for market to take a direction. Have a direction before you enter the market. All right? Wait for the market to get the direction. Give you a clear direction before you enter the market. If you enter the market here, it will look as if you are gambling. Okay? And in order not to gamble, you wait for the market to give you a direction. Here, the market is not giving us direction. Market came to this end, this low, it stopped. It didn't break, it didn't go further down. So at that point, market went back again to this resistance. So two things is possible. Either market, like I did before, either market go from here to the upside, then come back, you see wait, then break up. At this point, it has broken, giving a higher high. It has broken this high, giving you a higher high. That means it has confirmed the direction that is going up. When it comes back down to this zone, then you can enter your buy from here, the market to keep going up. Or another thing that can happen is that this market can pull back from here and come back down to give you a lower low. That's breaking this low. Then we need space here. All right. Okay. Like I was saying, this is two things is possible. This is the first one. Market can go up, come back onto that zone, then take a higher high. Okay, retrace back. You can enter perfectly your buy and move on and trace the market to the up. Or the market will, from where it is now, it can come back down. Okay, breaking this low here, this level here. At this point, then this market will having come back, will go back to this zone, then come back again, coming back again to break it. So at this point, once this market break this low here, this level, once you break this level, wait for the market to retrace. At the point of retracement, you can enter yourself to continue because the downtrend continues. At this point, you can still do this, okay, retrace and continue. So the trend continues. So I just show you the two types now, okay, from Euro USD. Euro USD right now, I'm not calling it on any trade. I'm not planning to enter any trade until it gives me a good and perfect direction, either to the upside or to the downside. A good trader is a very patient person. So you must be patient to wait for either of the two to happen before you enter the market. All right? Very important. So this trending is very important if you can get the way it works and trace it. All right? I want to give you a challenge. All right? I want to give you a challenge. Go and open a chart and start following the trend. Try to draw this. If you find anything difficult, you can private chat me on WhatsApp or Telegram. You can private chat me. Show me. Let me see what you have done. Okay? See how I can assist you further. Like I said, it's all free for these 30 days. My extensive classes are free. All right? You can ask your questions, any kind of questions, you need any assistance, as long as it has to do with trading, I will oblige to that. Okay, I just want to understand this. Just understand this. Okay, so I think my network is malfunctioning, but God will help us. All right, so this is Euro USD. We have touched gold, that is SAU USD, and this is Euro USD. We also have enough time to touch another, but I think I should allow you to digest this. Okay, I think I'm giving you this is a new pattern I'm giving you now. All right, different from what I gave you yesterday. Yesterday we arrived after tracing, we got to a point that the market is giving us direction, which is the is it SAUUSD. Okay, he gave us a perfect direction, which we used yesterday, and today we also follow the pattern. Okay, you see how the pattern continues from where we were yesterday. We say continued. You see that the market is giving us pattern to continue the sell. All right, that is one. So today now, I think this other one is something different from the gold. Yes, USD. Okay, this is something different from the gold. All right. At this point, we are not on any trade. We're waiting for any of this pattern to take place. Okay, I think I should map out this way. I want to believe you understand what I'm doing right now. To continue the sell, you have to wait for this to happen. All right, wait for the market to break this low, come back, then take it up. Okay, at this point, you're authorized to enter the sell. If this happens in the market, it's what I'm saying. This thing can happen tomorrow. All right, this thing can happen tomorrow. So if it does happen tomorrow, good. You can swing into action. You can likewise this one for as buy. You should expect this to happen before you jump into buy. So what I give you now is direction, both buy and sell should indicate in two place. It one must take place in the market because there is news tomorrow that will drive the market. So one of these must happen tomorrow. So you can as well, okay, this pull up, come back, pull up. All right. Once this happens, go up, come down, pull up, wait for it to come back down. So coming back down, you're entering at this zone. All right. And this should be your stop loss, perfect place. So yeah, it's a good way for stop loss. Good. These are the two setups that you have to wait for it to happen. All right. Good. That's perfect. So for now, no setup here, but this is a feature setup. So I will likely just after putting up this, I will also remove them. Okay, to show you that we don't have any setup there yet. But these lines should give you a direction. Thank you so much for being in today's class. All right. I will give room for question and answer, but not today. This definitely one of the days in a week, will just be for questions and answers. All right. But those that have questions and answers that don't want to wait till the end of the week, you can actually direct those questions to me privately, and I promise to attend to them all. Even not immediately, I must attend to them all. All right. Thank you so much and have a good night.
Thank you.